Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look into understanding what is body age. Now, depending on our age, there is a minimum muscle mass that we are expected to have and an upper limit for the fat percent that one should have. If your fat percent is more than what is allowed and your muscle mass is less than what is expected, the machine will reflect it as a higher body age or biological age. So your actual age has to correspond to your body age when you are trying to become fit. There is also something called as BMR, which is your basal metabolic rate, which is the amount of your calories, the amount of calories your body requires to function on a day-to-day basis. Once you check your body composition, you need to work on your body parameters by changing your eating habits and exercising, and keep a track of the improvements on these parameters at a regular interval. If you can see the changes, great. If you can't see the changes, it is time you seek some professional help to get these parameters in the places that they are supposed to be.